Welcome to a Hydranautics instructional video where we will demonstrate the vital parts of reloading reverse osmosis membranes. The important items of note when loading membranes are safety, cleanliness, lubrication, and proper element loading for reliable system integrity. When it comes to safety, one should be prepared with safety glasses, gloves, safety shoes, appropriate platforms for elevated housings, and any other safety equipment your particular site may require. If the system is newly built, it should first be flushed of dust, construction debris, and contaminants, which can harm membranes and equipment. Before loading elements into housings, one should remove accumulated dirt, grime, or scale. The individual end caps, thrust rings, and steel lock rings should be cleaned and inspected. Housings should be hosed out, and any foreign material should be carefully removed. A way to do this efficiently is to use a full diameter swab that can be pulled through the vessel to eliminate built-up materials. A sponge ball wrapped in a net and rags can be used. The O-rings on connectors can deteriorate and should be routinely changed for every reload. We recommend only two types of lubricant: silicone for its lasting properties and glycerin. Never use oil, grease, or other petroleum-based compounds, as these substances are not compatible with membrane or element construction materials. When installing elements, all friction points should be well lubricated. The whole vessel should be swabbed with a lubricated sponge ball. Before inserting the first element, re-swab the vessel entry. At this point, the downstream brine side end cap assembly should be installed and locked into place. Each individual interconnector O-ring should be well lubricated as you stage elements for insertion. An operator should also log element serial numbers and locations to produce a load diagram of the system. Elements should be inserted only from the feed end of the vessel, with the brine seal side of the element going in last. Follow the flow arrow marked on the side of each Hydranautics element. You should swab the brine seal of each element. Failure to do so can result in rolled or dislodged brine seals. As you link element to element, feel for full and easy penetration of each interconnector. If penetration is cut short or difficult, you should stop and make sure O-rings and connectors are well aligned. Insertion of the final element should be done with ease to not damage downstream connections. When finally installing the end caps, the appropriate amount of shims should be added to eliminate extra space in the pressure vessel. To review, one should always remember their safety equipment, as the elements are large, heavy, and slippery. There are pinch points and sharp edges requiring care and attention. Cleanliness makes the next reload easier and allows one to closely inspect for damaged or failing parts. Thorough lubrication allows for full and easy penetration without compromised O-rings. Proper element loading assures full system integrity without having to troubleshoot for problems later. We hope you have enjoyed this presentation. Please contact us or view other Hydranautics instructional videos for your member